Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, the number one YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. If you're new to my YouTube channel, go through my previous videos, and if you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. For the returning subscribers, thank you for the support, thank you for the love. I really appreciate. I'll continue doing my best in providing the best tricks and tutorials for earning online. Now, on my YouTube channel, I posted this site which I was testing, which I was doing a testing. Remember, before I review any survey site or any proxy site, I like testing them myself so that I can understand how they work, so that when I'm coming to do a review like this one, I can be able to provide information which I have confidence on. Now, this site is called CashQuest here, and you can see I withdrew $6.70, which is equivalent to 6,000 coins using Litecoin, and I was paid on 27th August 2025, the day that I posted on my Telegram channel. This is the payment here. Now, in this site called CashQuest, 1,000 coins is equivalent to $1. You can see here from the top right hand corner, 1,000 coins is equivalent to 1 USD. So, for example, the points which I have now, 2,294 points is equivalent to $2.2. Yeah. What's up guys, I found the only proxy service that filters IPs in real time and guarantees 95% clean addresses every time. NodeMaven's advanced algorithm screens every IP before you get it, unlike other providers who just throw random addresses at you. Their super sticky sessions keep the same IP for up to 24 hours and not the pathetic 2-hour average you get elsewhere. This means stable connections for data scrapping, account management, and automation tasks that actually work. They also provide residential and mobile proxies, and also they have a very favorable pricing, whereby you can either pay as you go or you can either decide to be billed monthly. So guys, don't settle for unreliable proxies that kill your productivity. Try out NodeMaven proxies, and before even buying, get your 1 GB trial plan for 3.99 euros and see the NodeMaven difference today. So let's go to the dashboard now. Once you register an account, they just require you to register using your email on other options provided there. Also check whether your country is supported so that you can be able to gain from using this site called CashQuest. Now, once you register an account, there are various ways of earning on CashQuest. First of all, they have offer walls, and they support all type of devices from Android, iOS, and desktop. So you can click the featured offers, and whichever offer you think you can complete, work on it, and you get paid coins. Another way of earning coins here is the featured surveys here. Today I don't have featured surveys. You can also work on these featured surveys and you get paid. Also now, they have now the surveys here. Surveys. They have like 4 panels. They have Theorem, CPX, Bitraps, Prime surveys. Remember, these are a fairly new survey site, so I expect more survey panels to be added. So continue checking on them and trying them out, and so that even if they add other panels, you'll be able to benefit from them. So also you can earn from surveys, you can earn from offers, the way as I said earlier. They have offers, the offer walls now, and you can see the various type of offer walls they support here. So whichever you think you can complete, click on it, set up your profile, complete the offers there, and you're good to go. So CashQuest, you can earn using offer walls, you can earn using featured surveys, or you can earn using surveys. So the only downside about CashQuest is that once you complete an offer, for example, here is an example, I complete a Prime surveys offer on the number this one, it went to pending for waiting for approval. So the approval can take even 24 hours or more, depending on the type of survey or offer wall that you completed. So this is the only downside about CashQuest, that once you complete an offer, it has to be manually approved by the CashQuest people. So that's the only downside. But once it's approved, it will reflect on your balance here at the top right corner here. And another unique feature about CashQuest, when you are for new accounts, when doing your first cash out, the cash out will be processed manually. The CashQuest operators or the owners will have to review your your completed surveys or completed offers, whether they were done well, and then so that you can be able to approve your cash out. Now, from the second cash out going forward, if your account has a low chargeback rate for your completed offers and surveys, your cash out will be processed instantly. Another good thing about CashQuest, they support payments in cryptocurrency and PayPal. And crypto is always my best option for cashing out. If you have been following my YouTube channel, I like sites which pay using cryptocurrency because it has less crypto. Working with crypto is so easy. So remember, working on CashQuest, you can do offers, surveys, featured surveys, and so much more. So let's now, you want to cash out. Just come here, click withdraw. Let it open. Click withdraw, select the type of cash out you need, and you're good to go. Another good thing about CashQuest, they have most of the coins like Binance Coin, Litecoin, Solana, this wallet supported here, Faucet Pay, C Wallet, Dogecoin. Their cash out is below $5 or 5,000 points. So if you are like, for example, you can see I have $2.29, but I'm eligible to cash out for Binance Coin, Litecoin, Solana, either using the C Wallet, Faucet Pay, and Dogecoin. But for Bitcoin and Ethereum, the minimum cash out is 5,000 points, which is equivalent to $5. But you can always use Binance Coin, Litecoin, Solana, and the ones which are provided here. Then under gift cards, for now they're only supporting PayPal, and the minimum cash out for PayPal is around $5. But for other cryptos which I showed you, like I don't want to repeat the names, the cash out is below $5. And so whenever you get $2 or whichever you get $3, just come to the draw, see whether you are able to cash out. They will always tell you whether your cash out is within, if your balance is within the minimum cash out, they will tell you the options which is available for you. But most of them, the minimum cash out is below $5, which is below 5,000 points. So that's how you do. If you want to cash out now, for example, Litecoin, just click Litecoin. For example, put the amount like 2,000. This is very nice. The minimum cash out for Litecoin is around $5. 500 coins, which is around $0.5. So this is the site which has the lowest minimum cash out ever, which I've ever seen. So you can see the minimum cash out here is around 500 coins, which is around $0.5. But they also charge for a small fee for all your withdrawals, but you won't feel it. You won't, if you earn huge amount of coins, you won't even feel the whatever. You won't even feel the charges. So if you have a Litecoin address, just paste it here and you're good to go. Then click withdraw and then wait for your money to drop. Now, they also have a leaderboard, a way to motivate people who work on CashQuest to keep on doing more and earning more rewards. So as other sites that you know, the more you earn, if you're becoming among the top 10 earners, you get rewarded. There is a prize for every single person who is among the top earners in the CashQuest. So that's another good way of earning. Also, I want to show you something on their dashboard. Their dashboard is very, very interesting. Remember, if they suspect suspicious activity on your account, they might request you, they might ban your account, or they might request you to do facial verification. So be very careful. So they even have a chargeback rate score here. Let me show you more about this one. This is a very interesting feature. So chargeback, their chargeback is calculated as chargebacks over completed offers times 100. So if your chargeback is between 0 to 10%, your account is healthy, is in good standing, and your payout will be processed normally, and you can continue receiving new offers without restriction. If your chargeback rate is between 10 to 20%, you'll be having delayed cash outs, and you'll be required to do verification. They may ask to do face verification before new offers are approved. So above 20%, you'll be banned from using their site. Your account will be suspended. So when working on CashQuest, always make sure that your chargeback rate is around 0%, is between 0 to 10%, so that your account can always be healthy. This is another very cool feature. So when you're getting a lot of chargebacks and your account is not doing well, you can be able to see it here. You don't have to keep on asking their support staff whether your account is okay. You can actually be able to monitor the health of your account using their chargeback rate calculator here. Yeah, that's another very, very cool features. So they also offer featured surveys. Me, I don't have them for today. They also have daily streaks, rewards, and so much more. So once you register to their site, come through here. You can see the type of bonuses, the levels. Every level has a bonus, the streak bonus, and logging in daily bonus. So you're good to go. So there are various ways of earning coins on CashQuest. So if you like trying many sites like myself, which pay in cryptocurrency or PayPal, consider checking out CashQuest. CashQuest are very good. Minimum cash out is around $0.5 for all the things I showed you. I think I showed you the types of coins which the minimum cash out is around $0.5. Only Ethereum and Bitcoin, the cash out is around 5,000 points minimum cash out, which is around $5. PayPal also minimum cash out is 5,000 points, which is around $5. But all the others, the minimum cash out is $0.5. And from the first cash out to be processed manually. But if your account is healthy between 0 to 10% chargeback rate, from the second cash out going forward, your payment will be processed instantly. So guys, check out CashQuest. Try them out. I'll post the link under the video description for registering. You can use my referral link to register on CashQuest, or you can just check out their site name and register directly without my referral link. So using my referral link is not a must, but I really appreciate those people who use my referral link to register on the sites which I review. It's the only way you guys can thank me for the things I do for you guys for free. So guys, thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.